Hello everyone, this is Peter from JIMI and Concox. I'm glad to have the chance to be here to introduce JIMI product. Today, I'm going to introduce our AIS140, a telematics terminal specially for India AIS140 market. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a message here directly or contact later. We will be pleased to answer your questions. In 2019, in India telematics market, one of the most hottest words is AIS140. It could be found and heard everywhere. Therefore, today I'm going to talk about AIS140. In my presentation, there will be three main parts. 1 and 2 is about AIS140 market. Next is about our JIMI AIS140 product. The last one is about our JIMI introduction and the solution. Okay, let's come to the AIS140. So, what is the AIS140? AIS140, it is a automotive industry standard 140, which was published by the Automotive Research Association of India. It is to build an intelligent transportation system. So now you understand what it is AIS140. In these regulations, it defines clearly what about all the requirements about device, software, and backend system. Then, how did AIS140 standard evolve? There are mainly 5 causes. Number 1, it is related with increased on-road traffic congestions. In 2011, 2 Indian cities, Bangalore and New Delhi, were ranked among the top 10 worst cities on IBM Commuter Pain Index. The commute time in India reached 1 hour and 30 minutes. When you live or travel in India, you will have a direct feeling. The next cause is increased accident. In 2018, India had about 5 lakhs reported road accidents, according to the Road Ministry data. Every day, about 1,280 car accidents were reported in average. You can imagine how serious it is. Out of this cause, overspeeding is the most common cause of death on roads in India, with 64% of world deaths because of speeding. Another 3 major issues are passenger inconvenience, delayed schedules, increased vehicle-involved crime. So, to overcome the challenges and smoothen out the transportation infrastructure, the government of India came up with the solution AIS140. So, who needs AIS140 GPS tracker? As you see, there are 4 main different types of vehicles. Number 1, you can find all the details in my presentation. For those people who operate this vehicle, will need the tracker. When install the trackers, emergency buttons will be placed anywhere in the vehicle and could be accessible by any passengers. The emergency function is connecting with the vehicle location system, and the alert is sent to the control center when the button is activated and deactivated. So AIS140 GPS tracker is to ensure a safe ride for everyone, especially for women and kids. So next I will introduce our GPS tracker AIS140 VTrack 140. Now let's talk about the market landscape. As we know, India have a large population and a large number of vehicles in the road. Nowadays, AIS140 GPS devices are mandatory in all the commercial vehicles in most of the states like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and other cities. When you take a look the data sheet, when you take a look the sheet, you can see for the passenger bus, taxi, school bus, and ambulance, they have a huge number. However, not all the vehicles is covered in all the states for the AIS140 device. But when you consider the new car number, the number is still huge as well. Therefore, there are a huge demand right now and in the future as well, especially in this year. As we know, the whole nation is suffering with a novel coronavirus. We must feel how important to have enough ambulance, especially for those people who live in rural areas. This is our JIMI VTrack 140. It is designed especially to meet government regulation AIS140 and has been certificated by ICAT and CDAT. Demands are well covered with IRNSS, Gargan support, 3 servers, and internal battery, eSIM, IP67 tamper-proof, and FOTA to fulfill firmware updates requirement. Here are some highlight features: the capacity of real-time tracking vehicles and the availability of emergency buttons and overspeeding alarm in the vehicle to ensure safe ride for everyone. VTrack 140 supports 3 IP. The first and the second IP is for regulatory purpose, and the third IP is for emergency. When the vehicle moves into the GSM blind area, the device could store 5 days data in internal memory card at 10 seconds one location. When the device connected with internet, the stored data will be uploaded to the cloud system. Finally, the device also could monitor driver behavior, including harsh acceleration, harsh braking, and harsh cornering. A part of these highlight features, VTrack 140 can support most common features in the market. See, this is our device. It's a very small device and it can be easily installed in the car. And how the system works. Here is a whole system working map. You can see they have different icons, device, installed in the car and transfer data to cloud platform through internet, and for users, they can access the web and app to look the data which has been analyzed by the cloud system. We JIMI and Concox could provide one-stop solution, including hardware and software. The system has been deployed in our in Mumbai server. We are ready to support our partners and friends from every state in India. So let's come to who is JIMI and Concox. As you see, since 1919, JIMI Group started business by providing cell phones and other digital equipment. After 20 years developing, now we have our own factories and 1,300 employees, and I'm very proud to be one of them. Our mission is making connections simple. Our core value is sincerity, passion, and commitment. Apart from the AIS140 product, what else JIMI could provide? With technology of 2G, 3G, and other technology, we could provide one-stop solution covering intelligent security, mobility sharing, fleet management, and other solutions. If you have any requirement, you're welcome to contact us freely. Now, thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, please free to leave a message now, and or you can contact us later by email here. So, any question? Okay. It's like we have some questions. Thank you. The question is whether our device can be sold in Kerala state. Okay. Actually, as I introduced, our device has been certificated successful by CDEC. So now you can sell the device in Kerala market, and also we can provide OEM and ODM product for WeTrack 140. Now, thanks for your watching. As I know, many of you are still suffering with novel coronavirus. So please take care of your family, maintain social distance. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.